Time to do an unboxing. This is a piece that I had made by my friend Sam Ojeda, who I had the pleasure of meeting and working with in Montreal, Quebec. He is also the one who gifted me the drop fan that I often dance with. So, here we go. Oh, wow. Woo! Holy! That is deadly. Look at that. Oh, what animal does it resemble? Ah! Ah! That's right, a bird. But let me ask you this. What bird do you see when you look at it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. I'm also going to dance with it very soon. So stay tuned. Thank you, Sam.